Hello YouTube, this is Pneumatic Vacuum. Today I've picked up this Kirby Heritage 2 that was actually described as a Legend 2, and the reason for that, is because, shift this out the way, because they must have read the instructions and that says Legend 2 on the instructions. So yeah, it is actually a Heritage 2 Legend, as you can see. And also, the belt is, I've never actually seen this before happen to a belt. The inside, you can see you can't really see that, but it's snapped slightly. Not fully, it's just like snapped slightly. So that'll need replacing. And also, this is a bit rusty here. Just a minute, let me get a light. Oh, just a little light. It's a bit rusty there. And it also has, which I didn't realise until just before, it's got a plastic fan in it, not a metal one. So yeah, that's just something I didn't realise. Now I do. So I can just, it's very difficult to do with one hand. Yep. I haven't cleaned it up yet, as you can probably tell. There's scratches all up there. It's missing the Kirby cap thing. It's got one on that wheel, it's missing one at the back. It's got one there, and it's missing one there. I did put a new bag in it, but obviously I've got to wash this outer bag yet. But it's just a cheap one in there for now. It does run. Just check it's off the floor first. Yep. I'll run it for a minute, but yeah, it works. Yep. And the headlight does work. I don't know if you saw that, it probably didn't. But yeah, it all works, and I just got to clean it up now. So I'll most likely be doing that all today and tomorrow, and maybe Monday. Not sure, it depends how long it'll take me. And I'm sorry for a mess in the garage, but you'll have to put up with that, I'm afraid, sorry. Oh, be quiet, Pat. It's got the original tool caddy, but not all the tools are there. The extension tubes are not there. I might have to get some of those. Looks like they probably won't really use the tools much because they're awkward. Yep, it's got the hose. It's got the genuine Kirby bags, the Micron Magic bags. I think they're Micron Magic, I don't know. There was 9 of those and now there's 5 left. So, yeah, and the rug renovator. So yeah, that's all there. That's not part of it. I'll shift that out of the way. There was one thing that I was wondering if anyone could tell me about. It says here, it says 388. Now, does that mean the 3rd month of 88 this was made? If anyone could tell me, I'd be very appreciative. So, yeah, that's the Kirby Heritage 2, and I will make another video when it's all cleaned up. Thanks for watching.